Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can change homepage content using our drag and drop page builder. So basically what I mean that if you come to our home page, you see a lot of section around it, header, brand slider, why chooser sections and all other stuff. So basic question is that when you come down to into this page, how you can going to edit this page content using our drag and drop page builder. So here I am making this video to explain how you can change this content from admin panel using our drag and drop page builder. Let's go to the admin panel. Let's go to pages. Click on all pages. Here you will find the page which is currently set as current home page. You can set any page as your home page from general settings, page settings. You have options for it. You can set any page as your home page. So let's see how we can change the content of home page from page builder. Go to pages again, go to all pages. So this is the current page builder home page. So let's click on edit with page builder. When you come to this page builder area, you will see options. Here is all the add-ons located. Here is the draggable area. You can drag any widget to this draggable area to build your home page or any other pages you want to build with page builder. Let's we search for a header. We see when we search for header, the two header is available. If we hover on it, it show that how it look using this screenshot. If you click on this image icon, you will see in full screen how it will look like once you build it. Let's first try changing the existing content of this page. Let us change this content first so that you understand how you can change all those content from admin panel. Let's go to admin panel. This is the header add-on. Let's click on this down arrow. Let us remove this text from here, text from the here as well. Let's click on save changes, data save change. Go to home page, click on reload. You see home page content is changed as far we have save the data here. You can change data for any other language. Let's say you can want to change data for Arabic. You can just simply click on Arabic language. You can set the data from here. You can change the Spanish on all other languages is available here. You can add any languages from this part. So I am showing to you how you can add any new add-on into this draggable area. Let's say we want to add a contact card. Let's drag into this just after this brand area and click on this down arrow. Let's add a text title, text information. Let's click on the image icon, click on icon. Let's load more icon, load more. So let's select this one as the icon, select image, and you can set padding for these sections. For us it is okay to keep it default. Let's click on save changes, go to page, reload this page, scroll down. As you can see, we have added our contacts card in this home page. As for the page builder data, here it is. We can just simply click on this plus button to duplicate it. Let's say test2, change this image to any other image. Let's search for any other image. Let's select this one and click on save change. Come to home page, reload the page. As you can see, it has added another one. So this is how you can add any content to existing homepage, or you can change the content of existing sections. Now I am show you how you can reorganize this content, this section. Basically, if you want to show this contact section just after this why choose us, this is very simple. Let me show you. Go to admin panel, click on this up button and just drag it after the why choose us area. So let's go to home page, reload this page. You see now after why choose us area, it's showing this contact us card. So this is how you can reorganize the sections from any pages build with page builder. You can add new section or using the page builder add-on, and basically you can do all this stuff with the page builder. Let's now show you by create a new page how you can use this page builder when you create a new page. Before that, let me show you how you can remove any section from there. Let's say we want to remove the contact card. Let's click on this close button and go to home page. Reload this page. You see the section is removed. So let's create a new page for show you how you can use page builder in new page. Go to all pages, click on new page, create a page, give it a title of video tutorial. Let's I am enabling breadcrumb for the pages I have just created. I am make it visible to everyone. Let's enable the page builder to ability to get edit the page with the page builder. Click on yes. Just click on save changes. Go to all pages. Scroll down. Let's edit this video tutorial with the page builder. Click on the edit with page builder button. Here you will see you see here you see the interface I have already shown you. Let's say let's we add a about area or let's add another area which is newsletter. You can basically add any of the area add-on you want into this place. For my case, I just using newsletter. Let's have newsletter here. News. Just drag it to the right side and leave it. Now click on this arrow. Let's put a title. Paste title. Let's subtitle. The subtitle button text. Subscribe. Contact us, input text, subscribe. I am keeping the padding as it is. Click on save changes. So click on the I button. You see our page is created with the content we have set from the page builder. Here is placeholder text, input text, here is button text, here is title, here is subtitle. So I hope now you are clear how you can create pages which you can manage with the page builder. Also, you know how you can edit the pre-built pages such as home page, about page, and all other page you can manage using the page builder. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.